There are so many health benefits of nuts of all kinds. They are filled with fiber, good fats, protein, and tons of vitamins and minerals. Also, studies reveal that eating a handful of nuts every day can help with weight loss. So I'm taking you in my kitchen to show you how I make an incredible roasted nut snack that's easy, satisfying, and delicious. Come and join me. So hey there, beautiful people. This is Lindy Ford, registered dietitian, clinical and licensed nutritionist and nutrition detective. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please join our YouTube family. We would love to have you, and comment below that you are a new subscriber so I can welcome you. Also hit that bell and you will be notified of new videos. Also remember, I counsel people through video conferencing all over this country from sea to shining sea, and it's just like being in front of me in my office. You get the same amount of care, so please contact me if you'd like more information about that. Okay, so we sometimes just need a little something, and nuts are just as healthy as they can be for so many reasons, and weight loss is one of them. There is something that I do that helps so much with just having them available, and they will last a long time when I show you this. So I am just going to walk you through the steps of making this satisfying nut snack that I do so often, and come on with me. The very first thing that you should do is set your oven, and you're going to want to set it to 300, not 350. 300 is a better temperature because it preserves a delicate essential fatty acids in the nuts. So the next thing I do is I just line a pan with some parchment paper just to keep things neat. And what I do is I use raw nuts. Now, roasting does take some of the phytates out of the nuts, so I know that some of you all have problems with that. So it's good to roast them. And then all I do is I take raw nuts. Today, what I have are just some Trader Joe nuts. I've got pecans, walnuts, and I love to use these raw slivered almonds. They are, I think, make the best roasting nuts. So I just put them on the tray and I mix them together until they're evenly covered on the pan. So the next step is to take avocado oil spray. Actually, you don't want to use olive oil because olive oil has a very low smoke point and it can go rancid at high temperatures. Those oils are too volatile. This is a high heat oil. Any kind of high heat oil would work, but I use avocado oil, and you just spray it right on your nuts. Okay, the next thing that I do is I sprinkle some iodized sea salt. Now, don't make the mistake that I was making for so long. I was using sea salt without it being iodized, and so many of us, like a whole bunch, like 80% of us are deficient in iodine, so don't do that. So just go ahead and sprinkle your salt on it. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try another seasoning. You can try all kinds of different seasonings. This one is a Himalaya pink salt with black pepper and garlic. You could use Old Bay. You could use tons of different seasonings, whatever you like. But I'm just going to kind of season half of it with this because I've never tried this before and I want to try it, and it just has tasted really good with other recipes. So this is so easy. All you do is pop it in the oven, and it depends on your oven temperature, but mine is like 15 minutes roasting in that oven, but you have to check it halfway through just to make sure that it's going in the right direction. So after they're roasted, they should be a nice golden brown. And you're gonna let them cool, and they're looking really good. Okay, you're not going to want to miss this part. When you go to store these, you're gonna wanna have these on hand. And so you wanna store them always in glass, in a glass container. You can get them at so many home stores. And I'm gonna link my video below on plastics. Please don't store in plastic, but these will stay good in your refrigerator for a long time. Put them in your refrigerator with the top on them, and then just eat off of them for a long time. So I hope that was helpful. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to link a playlist below of the things that I eat in a day, other videos about me in the kitchen and different recipes, And remember that everyone deserves the freedom to live their best life. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.